In this series of videos, I'm going to show you all of my favorite Excel formulas. But in this very first video, I want to just show you exactly how to input a formula and make it easy to follow along. So the first thing you want to do is pick the cell that you're going to calculate the formula in and press equals. That equal sign shows Excel that we're going to type in a calculation of some sort. The next thing you type in is the name of the formula. So the very first one that we're going to do is a VLOOKUP. So let's type in VLOOKUP. You can see Excel tries to guess what you're trying to do. So you can see if you're typing it right. If we can't see it there, it means we've typed it wrong. So we type VLOOKUP, that's right. And then as soon as we type in the open bracket, which is when we're going to start putting in all of the parameters or all of the information that we need to calculate our result. After we've typed that opening bracket, you can see this is all the information, or this is the shape of the information we're going to use to make this calculation. So we'll show these one by one as we go through the formulas, but you can see that we're going to have a lookup value, then a comma, then a thing called a table array. Don't worry what these are yet. Then another comma, then a column index number, and then either a comma and a range lookup, or just the end, a closed bracket. So when there's a square bracket here, that means this is something that we can do if we want, but it's optional. So that's it for now. Every one of these is going to look a bit different. Let's type in another one. Say if, and now we've got some kind of logical test. But then we might also put in a comma and then the value that we want if it's true, another comma, and a value that we want if it's false. So both of these, as you can see, are optional values, but we have to have a logical test.